It's a showdown in T-Town. My family, for some odd reason, are fussing about who can make the best mac and cheese. Now, I don't know why they are making such a fuss about this because we all know who the whiz in the kitchen is. But you know, hey, I guess we'll let them have their fun for now. Honey, what are you doing?
Well, you all are talking about a competition on who can make the best mac and cheese, and of course I will win. So let's see, I gotta have Gouda and milk.
Honey, nobody said anything about a competition. We all know who makes the best mac and cheese in this house, and the person is in the room right with us now.
Oh, thanks, Benji.
I was talking about me, Marge.
Oh, I don't think so.
I know so. Matter of fact, I'll prove it to you.
It's funny how the family loves to come together for a fun competition. But you know, I think they will end up learning that it was more than mac and cheese that brought them together, but the love that comes along with making some good old soul food. Since we can't cook, maybe we can be the taste testers. Yeah, that sounds like fun. I hope Mama makes some of her famous potato salad and fried chicken along with the mac. Oh yeah, and maybe Grandmama can make some rolls. Now that would be a delicious meal. I agree. Let's see, I'll need a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and then I'll make this and...
Honey, what are you doing?
Well, I'm preparing my mac and cheese.
Now, why are you going through all that trouble? You know my mac is going to reign supreme. I don't know why my family insists on trying to compete with me.
Jay, please, don't you go distracting me.
Well, all right, but you see, I'm already done. And I hid my special dish just in case you all got curious and wanted to steal the recipe.
Oh, please. The mac and cheeses are in, and they all look delicious. And I'm super excited to dig in and see, well, I'm more so excited to see who's going to win because they all look so good. Grandmama made her special mac and cheese, and it's delicious. Well, it looks delicious. Mama made her special mac, and it's always oh so creamy. And of course, Daddy had to bring his basic mac and cheese. And then we have Grandpa Jay's mac and cheese that always reigns supreme. The votes are in, and it looks like Grandpa Jay won the mac and cheese competition.
I told my family they didn't want none of me. But you know what? Maybe I will actually share my recipe with them one day. One day, maybe. It depends. Well, y'all have a good one.
Oh yeah, I see you. And I'm telling you they watching you.